Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
U principal jong ka Lady Keane College kabalong ru ka way nagi college kabaningkong hapo ka than chatay lamingi jong ka ri India ula Kyntait mardor ban Siew ya ka Khajna kabakot hadu saupusan lak ya kaba la hukum da ka Shillong Cantonment Board da kaba kam bakani ka slem pule kadai kaba don hapo uput usam jong ka tanat ya dari haka hukum balapha da Chief Executive Officer jong ka Shillong Cantonment Board u Vijay Rajak labtha ya keyboard penya jongkani ka college bakan Siew ya kani ka Khajna kabade nadu ka shitarik uyayong 8000 arpuar hadu ka lifeway tarik unai leber 8000 arpulai kaban kot la kumnu hadu saupusan lak arpusan hajar khandai spa sanpunriu tingka u principal jongka Lady Keane College uba klur bi mukim ha ka jinge kren bat ka Batisi TV ulapin paw ya ka jing sngo Kyntait halor ka jing tho balapha da ka Shillong Cantonment Board shaka office trekam jongka college bat ongru ba ka tanat yadari kala dep pha da ka jing tho shaka sarkar Assam nadu ka por ba ka Meghalaya kampat yo yala ka jong ka jilla ba ka ni ka jaka balapin yeng ya ka college kan hap satya hapo uput usam jong ka Cantonment Board.
On 2nd of this month, I received this letter from the Cantonment CEO slapping us with over 45 lakh as service charges for April 22 to March 23 for 1 year only. So as soon as I got this letter, since I'm new to this post, I asked my predecessors, both the retired principals of this college are still alive and healthy, and both of them told me that they had never paid any service charges to the cantonment. So I'm surprised how come they could slap this huge amount to the college. From what we learned from my predecessors, that the director of military lands and cantonments way back in 1937 had instructed the Shillong Cantonment people. They have withdrawn the jurisdiction of the Cantonment Authority on this plot of land given to the college. And also on the request of the then principal of Lady Keane College in 1951, the then Secretary Revenue Department, Government of Assam, in his July 1951 letter to the principal of Lady Keane College, had categorically mentioned, I quote, as the Defense Department of the Government of India, while transferring the said land to the Government of Assam, withdrew the same from the management of the Cantonment Authority Shillong. It is not understood on what authority the Cantonment Authority Shillong has been exercising jurisdiction over the land. So that's the status quo, I would say, that even then we never knew that they had such authority on this land that was given to us. Yes, before we received this demand from the Cantonment Board, on our own, it's rather my brainchild, I requested the governing body to kindly constitute a special committee to look after the ownership of this college by looking at the papers, what we have, the documents relating to this land, etc., etc. So the GB was kind enough they constituted that special committee, and in a day or two, this committee will meet, and one of the agenda of that upcoming meeting will be on this issue coming out of this demand from the cantonment. I am lucky in one sense that my predecessors are still active and their memory is still good, and I'm waiting for that meeting, whatever they say, and we will proceed together. We'll pull our thoughts together and we'll come out with some resolution. Right now, we don't want even to consider payment of this amount, so we will see in that committee meeting how we together make a decision on this. Yes, some channels are open to us. I think legally we are also open, and I think we should also keep the government informed about this development.